everyone. Welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So I have been putting off this video for a full week. I have been pretty busy with my job, and apparently now I'm also taking AP statistics along with my daughter. So my night times have been pretty busy, as well as my daytimes with my typical workday job. I told my husband I have to do some filming now, and he's out there now blowing leaves. So hopefully that doesn't interfere too much with this video and the sound quality. I literally just got back from a football game. Today is homecoming, so I'm just gonna tell you now that I actually have this as a special episode. I actually did a special expedition to a mall in Pennsylvania, and I have some very special guests that came along and joined me. So just a second and you'll see the footage. Hello everyone, welcome again to Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today's a very different episode. I am at a mall called King of Prussia in Pennsylvania, and I have two very special guests that were willing to meet me here.
Hey everybody!
So I'm very happy that they were able to meet me. This mall has been on my bucket list for a while. I've been driving through the state of Pennsylvania, doing college tours with my daughter, and I've been passing by this mall and wanting to come here, and I just could not do it because I was with my family every time. So I've asked them actually to come out and meet me here. It's only an hour and 20 minutes from my house. These poor people just drove 4 hours to get to this mall.
But hey, we have more fun together, so it's all good. One pit stop. Only one pit stop. We did it.
Great.
Yep.
All right, take care, everyone. We got some shopping to do. Are you surprised? So yes, I was very, very happy that Laura and Linda could meet me there. I've been working with Laura for a while now on Zoom with some other YouTubers, and I had followed her channel for years. So we've been back and forth emailing each other every so often, and what happened is I've been traveling through Pennsylvania. I think we did not once, not twice, but 3 times past this mall on our way back from a college tour, and every time I look past longingly and wanting to go, but I had my family with me. So I said, who can I ask to meet me there? And I remembered that she lives in Pennsylvania, and I didn't know where in Pennsylvania she lives. So I asked her if she would be willing to meet me, and she told me it was 4 hours away. So I was like, oh my gosh. I'm like, I didn't know it was that far from you. But she wanted to do it because that's how good the mall is. So we made a trip to King of Prussia Mall. It's only about an 8-hour and 20 minutes from my house, and it was close to, I think, 4 hours for her, and she did it in a day. She came out for the day and she went back for the day. So I'm very, very grateful that she had the time to meet me there, and I really appreciate it. And we got some things covered. First, I want to show you too, she brought me this cool container from Starbucks. She said this is something that she uses and enjoys, so I can like put any kind of drink I want here, and maybe I won't actually spill it on my desk when I'm working like I do now. So this is very, very useful. Thank you, Laura. I appreciate it. So I'm getting ready to use this. Believe it or not, I've had this stuff sitting here. I didn't even try the clothes on. That's how busy I've been this past week. So I am looking forward to trying these on and using my new container. Okay? So first place that we were in the mall that we stopped in was Bloomingdale's. I said, I'm gonna drag you to there. I know you guys are like, what is her thing with Bloomingdale's? But Bloomingdale's, at least the ones that I've been to, are way better than Nordstrom's. And at least the ones I've been to of Nordstrom's. They're very organized as to, like, you know, each of the manufacturers. And they have more, at least towards the front of the store, or one section of the store, depending on how your store is set up, more of the things that are a little bit on the lower end. So like Cut from the Cloth and NYDJ and Vince Camuto and Chaser, you know, they have all those like in a single like section, and it's not, I wouldn't say it's spread out, but because there's quite a bit of inventory that they have. But it's not like all the way in the back of the store where the more expensive items are. So we spent quite a bit of time there in Bloomingdale's because they were having a 25% off, friends and family. Plus, if you opened up a credit card, you got another 20% off. So yes, we all opened up a credit card. All right, so what I bought there, I was actually held a lot of restraint because I am looking for unique things for my wardrobe that I know I will wear, all right? So I got this Vince Camuto sweater. I believe it was $68 and change they rang me up for, but I believe once I get my card, the bill, another 20% will come off of that. This is a size extra small. It is mostly acrylic, which kind of surprises me because it is so soft. It is hand wash cold water. It is 71% acrylic, 23% polyester. It looks like 6 or 8% nylon. Very soft, and it has all these different colors in it. Now it is kind of boxy, so we'll have to see how it lays on me. But I really liked all the different colors in the sweater. I have a lot of sweaters, but a lot of mine are neutral. So I kind of like this one because it had so many different colors in it, and I thought it was kind of cheerful, but you know, still a nice sweater. All right, next up we hit, well, not next up, we hit quite a few stores, but next up that I purchased something in was from Express, okay? They were also having a sale. This was right in the front of the store, and it kind of caught my eye. I think I have a thing for like mock necks now, sleeveless mock necks. Not sure what's going on with that. This one I picked up in a size small because I thought it looked small. So we'll see how it fits. Even the small looks small, to be honest with you. This one is, I think, mostly cotton. I just kind of looked it up. Let's see if I can find the tag. Here it is. It is 49% cotton, 28% nylon, 20% acrylic, 3% spandex. And then again, it's nice and soft. So I'll give this a try and try this on. My one concern is the armholes, because even though it looks small going across, the armholes do kind of look a little long, but we'll see. And then I got these jeans. They're boyfriend style. I don't have anything boyfriend style. They're distressed, definitely distressed at the knees and over here on the side. All right, a little bit in the back on the pocket. You know, it's a regular size 0. I did not get petite, and they're mid-rise, but the rise does seem very long. So we'll have to see how these fit me. All right, give me a minute, and I will do a try-on for you. Thank you. Hi everyone, Carolyn here. We're just wrapping up after a long day of shopping, and my feet are killing me. I don't know about you guys, but the bottoms of my feet are killing me.
Definitely.
We covered pretty much the whole mall. It is gigantic, and now we're having lunch at Maggiano's Little Italy, and it is beautiful. We have like indoor/outdoor patio seating. It is very nice. And I had a great time, and I really appreciate Laura and Linda making the trip over here. This is a long trip for them, and only an hour and 10 for me.
We had fun, yeah, lots of fun. We have shopping bags. We're happy.
Yes.
We had a great time.
Shopping bags and a credit card.
Yes, we have new. Yes. New credit cards.
Yes.
Carolyn knows her stuff. She knows she is the master of the shopping.
I don't know about that, but I just love my clothes.
It was a good day.
Yeah.
It's definitely a good day.
All right, take care, everyone. Until next time.
Bye.
Here is the mock neck, which was about $40 and change because everything was on sale. And the jeans, which I got in sale, which were $50 and change. So these are boyfriend style, and they're definitely looser in the leg. They are a little bit snug in my hip area, but I don't think snug enough for me to size up, because then I think they'd be looking too baggy. They're clean, they're a mid-rise. These are well above a high-rise for me. This is a good inch above my belly button. So for me, mid-rise on regular sizes means high-rise on me. They have the distressing in the knees, okay? I'll pan down so you can see where the length comes to on me, because these are a boyfriend style. I'll probably have to cuff them one more to get the boyfriend length, or maybe just make a little bit of a bigger roll here. Another one up here. All right, so it's a little bit more rolled now. So, yeah, I like these. I don't have any kind of style, this style. I'll have to look back at the footage to make sure they look okay on me. Like, this is definitely a silhouette I am not very used to having. You know, I'm used to either the skinny or a boot cut, and these are definitely a lot more relaxed in the legs, okay? All right, give me a minute. I'm gonna pop the sweater on. Okay, and here is the sweater. I really do love the colors of this. You know, if you're taller than me, this might be a crop style, but on me, it's not cropped. It does come to my hip bones, but I think if you were taller, it might be cropped. So I like it, it's soft. It is wide and boxy, but it's doable for me. I think it lays all right. Here is the back of it, okay? So I think my little shopping expedition was a success. And again, I appreciate both Laura and Linda meeting me there. I hope they enjoyed it. It definitely was a change of scenery and much needed time to get away and out of the house. All right, thank you again for returning subscribers. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Take care, and until next time.